you guys see the weather outside right now? Do you guys see the weather? You know what that means? It's fucking snowing outside. It's Saturday morning. Me and my friends are planning to go through fucking so many spots today, and we are fucking shooting the goddamn snow.
Welcome to this segment of to dress correctly for the Snowy James Jametta.
These are all the clothes that I'm wearing so far today. I already have long Nike socks on with Adidas track pants right here. I got a long sleeve shirt, super old long sleeve shirt right here. Another long sleeve shirt. I have this hoodie right here, just a small hoodie. This sweater right here. Then I've wear the looser hoodie, which if I can possibly fit over that one, I'll wear this one as well. This heavy ass jacket right here, plus this scarf, as well as this hat. I'm ready to go. I got fucking 8,000 layers on right now. I have my cereal. I'm gonna literally eat this on the way to the subway. I'm sorry. So the Z wasn't running from my station, so now I have to be A downtown from Penn. The view. It's just crazy. About to get some crazy
It's basic.
Fuck you. Kenny's gonna give me a nice vlog footage, you know. I'll be taking some pics.
Bro, this shit looks sick.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's crispy. Yo,
it's crispy as fuck.
Kenny the videographer.
You want to keep that steady. Oh, so fire. So clean. Well done. Alright, so we on the Manhattan Bridge now. We left over in Dumbo. These guys see a shot. Oh fuck, it's actually kind of fire. We have plastic bags for our cameras. You know, gotta be safe. Protect against that water damage. We're at the best spot now on the bridge. We got this really crazy view of Chinatown out there. These guys are shooting through the holes of the fence because this right here isn't centered with the street. You guys can see, it's not centered. The shots are bangers. What the fuck is this van doing in the middle of the street?
That white one?
Yeah.
Fucking ugly, right?
Yeah.
So that wasn't ugly enough, now we got a truck.
Just passed through Doyer Street. Shit was crazy. Shit was insane.
Keep vlogging now.
Keep vlogging? Gonna take a break in Canal Street. Get food.
Play around Radio City, Times Square, and then catch the 6 to Brooklyn Bridge Park. Walk the Brooklyn Bridge to Brooklyn, back in Dumbo.
It's not enough time, dude.
So we gotta move. Hurry up, finish your food, stop vlogging.
We just got mad shots out by the Flatiron. We just finished up, actually got a ton of crazy shots. Let's go.
You didn't record that, did you?
Oh, I did. I totally did. Yo, Times Square right now?
It looks fucking sick.
It's ideal. It's fucking crazy, dude. So we got fucking massive snowflakes all coming down. The lights look beautiful. It's fucking amazing right now. We're fucking out here. It's lit. About to get some crazy, crazy shots in Times Square.
Angered!
Yo, bangers. Bangers for sure, dude. Just got mad shots past me. I've been here for almost an hour now. Alright, so we left Times Square. We didn't go too uptown. We stopped at around like 46th, I think. But we actually headed downtown, all the way down to the Brooklyn Bridge, So right now we're on the Brooklyn Bridge right now. We're walking all the way through to Brooklyn. We're saying goodbye.
Goodbye.
We're at this little spot right now. It's crazy fall. We just took mad shots. We're saying goodbye now. They're all dipping. They're all the way across the fog. I have no idea. You're going this way? Catch you later. Everyone dipped. Now I can see back to SYT. Got an insane amount of shots.
Thank you so much. Can I feel?
In the vlog, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
You make me a believer.
Finally! Wait, time out. Don't jump down. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh! There it is! So, Logic followed me on Instagram apparently. That's kind of interesting.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, that would have been crazy! Out here, catching bangers. I hate myself. Like I do, I actually hate myself.
I hate you too.
Thanks.